Divide by a negative will give you a positive. A negative divide by a positive will give you a negative. A positive divide by a negative will give you a negative. A positive divide by a positive will give you a positive. This is something that you need to know at all times. With multiplication and division, it is the same. You get the same results. Let's come then. We said here, it's a positive and a negative. Remember, we said we put them in a column. A negative and a positive, it gives you what? A negative. So that means we'll have a negative 3m squared. You write it there, negative 3m squared. And then you come to a positive times a negative. Positive times negative gives you a negative. So we take the negative sign. It's going to be a negative 8m. And then a positive times a negative. Positive times it's a negative. Positive times negative it's a negative. You take the sign, a negative 9. So that means you can do your calculation then. So you're going to say, okay, let us add together or let us subtract. Plus 8, let's begin on the left side. Or can we begin on the right side? It doesn't matter. Because like here, we do have m squared, we've got m, we've got just a value. Let's begin this side. We've got minus m squared minus 3m squared. You must also apply the same thing that you applied when we were using the multiplication and the division. When it comes to adding together, and when you subtract together, the signs that are the same. For example, you have got minus 4 and minus 3. The moment you have minus and the minus, you take that sign as the sign that you're going to put in front of the value. And then you add together the 4 plus 3, which gives you a 7m squared. You take that sign, the sign that is there. If it was positive and positive, you will still take the positive, though you don't write the positive in front. And then here we've got plus 7, we've got minus 8. So here you check, it's not multiplication, it's not division. You check which one has got a bigger value. It's a negative sign. The negative 8 is bigger than a plus 7. According to the values, 8 is bigger than 7.